Welcome to Let Me Fix This. Enjoy the video.
In this video, I will explain how to set up Beemo Bot. First, go to the Discord developer portal and create a new application. Add a bot user within this application, then copy its unique token. This token is crucial for connecting your bot securely. Next, generate an OAuth2 URL for your bot, selecting necessary permissions. Use this URL to invite Beemo Bot to your desired Discord server, granting it initial access. Once Beemo Bot is on your server, access its configuration dashboard or use its designated setup commands. Here, you can define a command prefix like an exclamation mark and specify default channels for announcements or logs. It's important to review and adjust the bot's permissions for different roles within your server, ensuring it has exactly what it needs to function without overreaching. Now, let's personalize Beemo Bot. You can customize its responses to commands and set up engaging welcome messages for new members. Explore its automated moderation features, such as filtering specific words or managing spam, to keep your server safe. After making these adjustments, it's vital to thoroughly test all of Beemo Bot's commands and functions to ensure everything works as expected and without any issues. Beemo Bot offers advanced features like integration with other services, enhancing its utility across platforms. Dive into its logging and analytics options to gain insights into server activity and bot performance. Remember to check the description for a link to the new Kindle Paperwhite and other fantastic deals. Optimizing these settings can significantly improve your server's efficiency and user experience, making Beemo Bot an indispensable tool for your community.
Thanks for watching. If you found this helpful, don't forget to like and subscribe.